Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a battery in your Mercedes Benz key fob. This key fob takes one CR2025 battery, and if you need to purchase one, we'll provide a link in the description below where you can check it out. So technically you don't need a screwdriver to replace the battery. I just find that it makes it a little bit easier. But first thing we're going to need to do is remove the manual key. And so to do that, we need to pull this button to the side and then pull out the manual key. So let's do that. We'll pull this to the side and then pull out the manual key. Next thing we're going to do is right around the middle here, there's a tab underneath that if we just press this, it just pops off this cover. And then this is where the flathead screwdriver just makes things a little bit easier. To remove the battery, you can just slide the end of it in, and then it just pops the battery out. You can remove your old 2025 battery, replace the new 2025 battery, seat it down in, take the back plate and slide it in with these tabs in first on this side, press it down till it clicks, and then we can replace our physical key and we're finished. And so hopefully this video helped you out in swapping out your battery. If it did, leave us a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.